how to see who shared my post on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will find out whether we can see who shared our post on Facebook or not. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, you can just scroll down to find the post that you want to check. And now here, under the post, look for the share count. And here, once you found it, you can just tap on it. And now here, once you tap on it, you will be able to see the number of people that have shared your post, but unfortunately, you are not able to see who have shared your post. So you can only see shares if the person have shared your post publicly or you are friends and the privacy allows it as well. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.